Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Kenworth, folks. Beautiful unit, nice heavy unit, lift axle, white Kenworth 2021, 161,000 miles, PX9 with an Allison automatic transmission. Folks, beautifully clean unit, excellent condition, automatic transmission, lots of horsepower for you. Folks, this unit is equipped with a 25-foot by 102 steel bed, universal mounting kit on the back. Will carry Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, and many others. 315 front tires, 80% to new. Beautiful condition, Kenworth. Excellent paint. Nice big aluminum fuel tank. Brand new buyer's toolbox. Rear tread is 80% to new all the way around. Air ride suspension, universal mounting kit. 25 by 102 steel bed, completely refurbished. Mounting kit will carry Moffett, Princeton, and Load Mac, many other brands. Just letting us know what model you have. We'll confirm it'll work for you. Take a look at 99lifts.com and we can set you up with a forklift if you need, truck or trailer. Give us a call, 260-238-4998. This is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.